This is a short introduction into generative AI and art. Artificial intelligence creates stunning art as you see in this video. Generative AI uses algorithms to generate original content. It has revolutionized the art world, producing abstract paintings and collaborating with human artists. Explore mesmerizing generative AI art, from digital paintings to interactive installations. Generative AI empowers aspiring creators to experiment and create unique artworks. Learn a simple generative AI art project using popular AI frameworks. Generative AI sparks creativity and challenges traditional artistic processes.